Okay, Sad, I'm going to give you some feedback on your week one contribution to your student portfolio. Now you've put in an A minus here and then kind of just seem to have freestyled it here. And what you need to do is go to this self-grading thing and make a case for yourself for your grade. I can't justify to my superiors grades that students self-assess when they don't give really good reasons. So you've got your Gen AI activity here. Um, not you've put a link in here, and I would like actually a link like this. So you put in the label, you copy the link. I do Control C, but you could right click copy, and then you highlight the link and you right click on the link, insert link, put it in here, right click and paste. And that would be the way you would do that. So let's just take a look though. So you spent an hour and a half, it looks like, and I'm looking at your summary here. And it looks like you did briefing docs and study guides and mind maps, but not the video overview. And then you engaged, explored, and then gain understanding about bias. Oh, you looked at it. And then the course learning goals addressed, you looked at. Now, what I need is more reflection on your interaction with Notebook because it's not clear how you interacted with it. And so that's important. You can't say, well, I looked at it, that's it. It means I don't know what you did with it really. So you need to provide detailed reflection on how you interacted with it and what your impressions were. It looks like you've used the same document for your personal prompt, which please don't. They should be separate. And it looks like you spent 60 minutes on this, and it really should have been 3 hours. So therefore, remember I said that time will translate into grade. You're sort of in the B area now, not really the A area because you only put in 60 minutes to this. Now, creating a storybook for early learners. Um, it's not clear to me, and again, you haven't, you know, I don't think you have a link to your project. You don't have a label for your project. You kind of have, not, uh, it doesn't seem like I have a real description for your project. I'm not sure why this project and creating a storybook would take any more than 2 or 3 hours. This should be a 6 to 9 hour project. You don't have a plan. So there's a lot of things that you need to do to um, provide, I think, a more adequate description of your project and to demonstrate that and you need obviously to put more time into it. And then let's see, you've got a prompt here. I'm not sure what this is. Okay, so this is, okay, that's your reflection, yeah. Okay, again, the reflection is really short. Needs to be longer. Needs to reflect what you put into this. Um, it says here you're satisfied. I'm hoping that I'm giving you tips here that would help you improve the quality of your work. Um, so you missed class too, so you caught up. So you obviously don't get the contributions for that, but you've done a nice summary here. And so this is a good entry. So you're at kind of a B level really at this stage. And I hope I've given you suggestions to improve the quality.